Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. I am installing some hair today that I got from Nadula. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. So this is a 13 by 5 highlight body wave wig. So this is a pre-everything wig. So it is pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked. And you look at that lovely hairline. You can see right through that lace. And also this is a tape wig, so which means I'm going to be showing you how to install the tapes. This is an alternative way to installing your wigs. Instead of using like glue or another adhesive, you can tape it down. This wig is on a dome cap, and it comes with an elastic band that has the non-slip grip. It comes with a comb in the back and adjustable straps. So look at the construction of this wig. It looks really, really great, and the highlights are really cute. Before I get into the video, I'm just going to show you what came in the box. So it comes with extra tapes, and I'll show you how to use that a little later. A brush, a wig cap, an edge band, and some nails. So let's get into the video. Alright, so jumping right into the video, I'm just going to slide off my wig cap, not my wig cap, my bonnet. I already have my wig cap installed, and I'm using my cream makeup. The brand is Ruby Kisses, but I got it from Amazon. But yeah, so I'm just taking a flat top makeup brush, like a flat makeup brush that I got from e.l.f. And I'm just rubbing it in the makeup and putting the makeup all over my wig cap. Sometimes I press it into the cap, sometimes I rub it all over. But I do what I gotta do to make sure I'm coloring this wig cap so it can blend underneath this lace. So next I'm going to slide on the wig by putting the wig band on first and then pulling the wig backwards. And as you can see, and I don't know if I pointed this out earlier, but it is a body wave wig, but it comes like pre-curled. So this is the type of wig that's going to give you like those big, like voluminous curls, but I'll show you that a little bit later. So before I install the tape, I'm spraying some rubbing alcohol into a cotton ball just to wipe off like any excess residue or anything that's going to be on my hairline. Because this is like a type of tape adhesive, you want to make sure your hairline is clean so it sticks and it doesn't slide. And then what you're going to do is just gently pull the paper away from the tape, kind of like peeling a sticker or like a band-aid or something. Like you're going to peel it away, and before you push it down, make sure you like the positioning of the tape, and then you're just going to press it into place. I like to press and hold for like 20-30 seconds or however long you feel, but definitely longer than a couple seconds. And then I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Peel the tape away. You can see what it looks like. I'm going to pull it forward and pull it tight, and then I'm going to apply pressure to both ends, do a little crazy dance just to buy some time and hold it down. But yeah, so that's literally it to the install. Like that's literally how easy it is to install the wig tape. So now I'm just going to style the rest of my hair. I'm just going to pull out my baby hairs on the sides, which is obviously completely optional. But it's just an option I decided to take. So I'm just going to pull out my baby hairs and style them. And now I'm just taking some spray and putting it on my baby hairs, just so they can stay a little bit longer. This black gel I've been using, this Eco Style gel, it really only lasts like for a little while with the edges. I've been noticing like after a while they'll like slip and slide. So I'm just trying something different like this spray to hopefully make my edges last a little bit longer. And then I'm just using this little wig thing here to like dry it, and then I'm just gonna wrap it with my wig band. Now I'm just taking some of the Got to Be Glued Free spray and going just along the parting space of the wig, just to define the part. First of all, the parting space is really, really good already in the wig. Like that middle part is plucked like phenomenally. Like it's phenomenally. Is that a anonymous? Whatever. It's plucked really well. It's plucked really well, and you can literally part the wig any way you want to, and it'll like part just as good. Like you don't have to do like a whole bunch of plucking. Like the parting space in the wig is really, really good. But it is a pre-plucked wig, but it's you know, some wigs say they're pre-plucked and don't be plucked that well. This one is actually plucked really, really well. Now I'm just taking my fingers and finger combing out the curls, just to separate them a little bit, and then I'm going in with my comb. I wanted more of a looser curl anyway, which is the purpose of these curls. BTW is to give you like that loose big body wave curl, so don't be afraid to like comb them out or whatever like that. That's what you're supposed to do. And if you accidentally comb out the curls, you can always put it back in. But yeah, here you can really get a feel for how thick the hair looks. And this is 150 density. So for 150 density, it's kind of giving 200 density. Like it's really, really thick. So I love that for me. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take off my wig band and continue styling the hair. I'm just going to use that same cream makeup from earlier and go along just the front. And that blended like super easily. Like don't be afraid if you see a little white lace or a little white cast for the lace in the front. Makeup will cover that right up, honestly, and then it is all gone. And I'm like, look how great that blends in with my skin. Like it looks so good. Next, I'm just putting some layers just in the front part of the wig so it can frame my face a little bit better. I almost regretted this a little bit, to be completely honest, because afterwards I'm like, I kind of didn't need it, but I'm just so used to always having layers to frame my face. Don't get me wrong, like layers are cute, but I feel like with this style I kind of just wish I would have rocked it without it, but I mean it was fine. But anyways, I just part the hair and then I just take my scissors and I cut going away from my face, just to create some cute short layers. And then I went back in with my curling wand to just define the curl a little bit more, especially at the top, because after cutting it I feel like I kind of cut out the curl. And now I'm just going to take my curling wand again and just wand the ends of the hair, only because it got a little frizzy as I was taking my fingers to pull the curls apart, and I just wanted more of like a smoother look, so I'm just using my curling wand. But you also could just use like a brush and get that really like flowy body wave look, but I kind of wanted a little bit more of a defined curl. And that is pretty much it. That is the finished look here. You can really get a good feel for like the highlights in the wig, and it looks so good. Like it looks like I'm laughing because it looks really good. Like I love how thick and full it looks. The hair is super soft. I didn't have any issues with tangling or shedding or anything like that. Like, this is just a really good, cute wig. And it literally only took like 15 minutes to install. And it's really cute. And the wig tape is really secure on the wig. Like, this wig was real tight. Like, honestly, I had to, well, to take it off, by the way, if you ever want to take off the tapes, you can use, I use like micellar water, but you can use like rubbing alcohol or like an oil based bond remover if you want to, but it really doesn't take all that much. And yeah, like I said, I used a micellar water and it came off really, really well. But as you can see here, like the parting in the wig is really nice. You can flip it to either side. You can do a flip over. I think I had it in a half up, half down also at one point, but I just decided to go with the basic little middle part because it was giving and it was really thick and fluffy and cute. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. And that's it. Adios till next time.